Fitting song for just getting home at my parents' house. Well, she's a nice day here. My parents' place in Nova Scotia, but me and Benny gotta go get some firewood for the old man. Use the side-by-side here. Oh, I guess he wants to sit on my lap. Check out Benny. What are you doing, Ben? You waiting to get going here or what? What do you want? You want to go play with the ball, don't you? We'll go play here in a minute. I just got to get a few loads of wood, right? Is that okay? You don't know what I'm saying, do you? So if any of you guys have ever seen one of these, we call them flinger, the rubber ball. Anyways, Benny's absolutely obsessed with balls, so it's the only way we can throw it far enough that he gets tired. Come on. All right. Have that ball? You gonna give me it? You gonna give me it? You're not gonna, are you? No. How's it going, fellas? Just gonna take Benny down for a walk here on part of the Trans-Canada Walking Trail. Just a short drive from my house, the part that I like the most, so I'll take him down there and go for a good walk today and maybe have a little fire and a cup of tea. We'll see what happens. I don't know if any of you guys got the Oasis channel on your TVs or not, but there's a show in there called Hope for Wildlife. She's filmed right there. That's the place called Hope for Wildlife. They rehabilitate animals. It's a really good show and it's all volunteer work. You guys should check that out. There's her sign there. Where you want to go for a walk, Ben? You're shaking in there. Oh yeah, we'll get going. This is where my parents' lake, which is Porter's Lake, runs into the Atlantic Ocean. This is called Rocky Run. Usually a little bit more rush in here, but it looks like the tide is either fully in or, yeah, I'd definitely say she's in and maybe just starting to come out. Kind of see nice clean clear water. This is where the salt water gets into Porter's Lake. I ended up taking that little trail. And as you can see, this area was devastated by a hurricane we had a long time ago, Hurricane Juan. She was pretty bad, wrecked a lot of the trees around here. Here's the little I think the surfers must have made this. Like a little cabin or something. Of course, last time I was here it was a lot better, but it's not hard to tell how bad the weather wrecks stuff. It's a pretty cool spot though. Used to have a little roof and everything on it. Last time I was here, but that was probably 2 years ago. Rock front wall. If I had more time, I'd probably start working on it, try to fix it up, but quite the view. You like it, fellas? Got a little fire going here. Have a little cup of tea. Throwing the stick for old Benny here. And here's some shotguns off there in the distance, so. Hey, Ben, guess what? I forgot your treats, bud. I know. I forgot them. I forgot them. Where are you at? What do you think, Ben? He's all wet now, running around in the water out there, so. I wonder what they're shooting at. They're just testing out the shotguns, I guess. I don't know. Tea's on. Just gotta let her warm up, I guess. Forgot my GSI. Look at this thing. He loves fighting. You want me to throw a stick for you? He's crazy. Yeah, so this was the main V. This is where we used to call it the V. We used to come up here on the bikes all the time. Great beach here. No one is ever on this beach. Looks like the porcupines got this all chewed up. Here. Good boy. Come on over. Forgot his collar, so I got this thing on him. Come here, buddy. Come on. Get in your little tent. Good boy. Back in jail now, right?
Bells will be ringing, the sad, sad news. Oh, what a Christmas to have the blues. My baby's gone, I have no friend to wish me greeting once again. Choirs will be singing Silent Night, Christmas carol by candlelight. Please come home for Christmas. Please come home for Christmas. If not for Christmas, by New Year's night, friends and relations send salutations.